You change your pricing model, usage-based, hybrid, consumption-driven, whatever label you use. Now your investors are confused. They do not understand how to read your metrics anymore. Your board meetings feel more difficult. Here's the truth. That is your problem to fix, not theirs. Traditional SaaS metrics assume seat-based pricing, ARR, net retention, average contract value, dollar-based net retention. These numbers were designed for a world where every customer paid a predictable amount per user per month. Usage and hybrid models breaks all these assumptions. ARR becomes fuzzy. Is it a commitment or an estimate? Expansions look different. Cohort behaviors get harder to understand. The pattern investors have learned to recognize no longer apply. Investors have built intuition over the last 2 decades for how healthy SaaS businesses should work. When your numbers do not fit that pattern, they get nervous. Not because your model is necessarily bad, but because they do not know how to evaluate it. Your job is to rebuild that intuition for them. You need to explain not just what your metrics are, but what they mean and how to understand them and why they indicate a healthy business. The investor narrative needs to shift on 3 dimensions. First, move from pure top-line growth to expansion by cohort. Do not just show total ARR growth as a single number. Show how each customer cohort behaves over time. Are customers spending more in year 2 than year 1? Year 3 more than year 2? That cohort expansion pattern is the proof point for your model. Second, move from revenue at any cost to margin quality at scale. Usage models can have a wide margin variance between customers. Show that you understand your cost structure. Demonstrate that growth is profitable, not just big. Unit economics by segments matter more than ever. Third, move from hockey stick projections to predictable growth paths. Investors have seen too many consumption models collapse when a handful of large customers just churn or reduce usage. Show durability. Show that your growth compounds predictability rather than spiking unpredictably. If you change how you price, you must also change how you explain growth. The old metrics and old story do not work anymore. Do not wait for investors to ask hard questions you cannot answer. Get ahead of them. Build the narrative proactively. Explain the new model before the board meeting, not during that board meeting. Confusion erodes confidence, however, clarity builds it.